Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be reviewing shapewears that I got from Amazon. These are one of the best sellers, best customer reviewed. 2 से 3,000 रिव्यू है इन सारे शेपवेयर्स के अंदर. मेरे पास 5 शेपवेयर्स हैं जो मैंने ऐसे ही बेस्ट सेलर्स और कस्टमर रिव्यूज देख के खरीदे हैं. एंड एज यू गाइज नो शेपवेयर चीप नहीं आते हैं. अगर आप एवरेज अच्छे ब्रांड का अच्छा क्वालिटी का शेपवेयर देखने जाओगे ना 2 से 3,000 तो कहीं नहीं गए. But these are under ₹1,000. Yes, it's under budget and कुछ तो 200-300 रुपए के हैं. But इस पे कस्टमर रिव्यूज इतने सारे थे which I definitely wanted to check out whether it's actually worth 200-300 रुपए or not. And ये actually shapewear जैसा काम करता है कि नहीं. That's what this video is about. If you're interested like me, then definitely keep on watching till the end. I'll be reviewing each and every one and giving you my suggestion as well. Also, shapewear you can't really exchange. So एक बार पैसे गए तो गए. अगर वो काम नहीं करेगा तो ऐसे ही सड़ने वाला because आप return तो कर नहीं सकते. That's what this video is about. Let's get started. Before getting started, let's take a quick look at the before and see what we're working with. In the before and after, दोनों में मैं ये एक ड्रेस पहनी रहूँगी. This is in the size small. I'm no longer a size small. I'm size medium and above. And this one fits so snug. So I feel this is like the perfect way to determine whether a shapewear controller actually works or not. अगर मेरे size का होगा तो वो kind of camouflage कर ही देता है. But this one is way too tight on me to the point कि ये zip is almost like ripping out. As I said, it's a size small. It does not fit me. It used to fit me, but अब ये fit बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता. You can clearly see it in the video. Back में वो पूरा ऐसे weird runs आ रहे हैं उसमें. So yeah, this is a proper bodycon, figure hugging, like exposing all the areas that you want to hide because you have back fat, you have tummy fat, all of that. This one won't hide it at all. This will actually accentuate it. So this is the kind of dress I wanted to put it to test. So let's see. Okay, so the first one I got is from HSR store. This is one of the best sellers on Amazon. It has over 5,000 reviews and it has got 4 stars, which is pretty good, right? 5,000 reviews for 4 stars is actually pretty good. It is only for 397 rupees. Can you beat this? This is 397 rupees का shapewear. I got it in the size medium. Medium से ही start होता है. So it's like medium, large, extra large and double XL. Check the size guide and according to the size guide, मेरा size medium है. And it fit me actually really good. So let's review this item now. So basically इसका main USP है waist. Nothing else. So it's supposed to be a waist slimmer, tummy tucker kind of a situation. Okay. First of all, fit wise, I've got a size medium. As I said before, easily you will slide in. At least I was able to slide in very easily, which is a little surprising because जो like proper compression वाला shapewear होता है ना उसमें slip in करना बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है because वो थोड़ा tight होता है in general और आप slip करके then it fits. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही stretchable है to the point that you can easily slip in. That's one point to understand. It also has this boning right over here and in the back as well. Compression I would say is actually not that much at all. I felt like ये पहनने के बाद ज़्यादा कुछ difference मुझे लगा ही नहीं. So yeah, it also has no like that elastic strip जो आपको stick करता है so it won't roll over. I feel like it won't roll over any which ways because of this boning. It will stay in place. But again, that is something that I noticed. It does not have any elastic that sticks to your skin and stays in place. Another thing that I like कि यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा back side में कोई ऐसा strip या कुछ नहीं run कर रहा है and it doesn't make your back area look weird. So it looks actually good. Another downside is it does not have any cutout right over here. That means every time you go pee or poop, you have to remove this. So if you have gone out for a really long day wearing this shapewear, you have to remove it every time you sit to pee. You know what I mean? So it's a hassle. Yeah, I would give it a 5 out of 10. See, this is something if you really have nice body any which ways, you just want a shapewear to give you a little bit of tummy control, then this is the one for you. But if you have a lot of tummy fat, a lot of chub and you really want a good compression wala tummy tucker, then yeah, just pass on this. According to the price point, उतना ही compression दिया है आपके stomach area पे. You can clearly see it in the before and after. There's not a lot. There's definitely a little, but not a lot that's going on. I feel this is good for skinny people and not for healthy, medium and above size people. So this will be a pass from my end. Moving on to the next one that I got. This is from this brand called FitPick. It's their high-waisted shapewear. And this one was definitely a little bit more on the pricey side. I think इसको मैंने 999 pay किया है. Okay, one thing I would like to highlight is यहाँ पर कोई भी size option नहीं दिया हुआ है. I don't know why. So I thought it's one, one product fits all kind of a thing. So I ordered it, and now that I see it, it's 4XL size. I don't understand how is this one size fits all. It's 4XL size. How is this supposed to fit me? Obviously it doesn't fit me. It's extremely loose on me. It easily slips on me, which is an ultimate giveaway कि ये मेरे size का बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. So yeah. Also, this is one of the Amazon choice sellers. It has 343 reviews, but it has 4.5 star on it. So जितने भी लोगों ने रिव्यू किया है इसको बहुत ही अच्छा रिव्यू दिया हुआ है. First and foremost, as I said, anti-rolling ये दिया हुआ है, which is good because it will stick onto your skin. A lot of shapewears fail because they roll off, especially near the tummy area. जैसे आप बैठते हो या फिर चल रहे हो, it starts rolling and it's really annoying. Compression, I feel it has a decent compression. It is very similar to the last one that I got, which was for like 385 or 3 something, and this is for 999. So accordingly, I would expect a little bit more of a compression, but again, it is a 4XL. I feel this will be a little bit better on someone who is meant to be in this size ka shapewear. So I would say it's a decent size shapewear. So the back thing, the bum, it shapes really well, and I don't see any seams or indent जो उसका shape बिगाड़े. Again, as I said, ये बहुत ही बड़ा है मेरे लिए. So this one is kind of the length जो पैंट का नीचे का है, it kind of is flaring off clearly because it's not my size. So yeah. And another thing I absolutely hate is इसमें भी वो pee hole दिया हुआ नहीं है. So that means every time you have to remove it in order to pee and poop. So ये पूरा दिन, अगर आप सुबह निकलने वाले हो, रात को आने वाले हो, and you're wearing under it, I would say it's gonna be a hassle because every time you have to remove it. I would not give it like 5 star at all. So out of 10, I would rate it 6 probably. Yeah, I'll probably give it to my mom. Let's see. I think उनको बहुत अच्छे से fit करेगा, and I think it will work for her. I'll take a review from her as well. So yeah, a 6 out of 10. Let's move on to the next shapewear that I got. It's from this brand called Adorna. Now this one has 7,500 and above reviews. So a lot of people have purchased it, and it has got 3.5 stars, which is actually pretty good for that many reviews, right? This one does have a strap, and I wanted to try out different kinds of shapewear. This one was for 963 rupees. Again, a very similar price point to the previous one, and I got it in the size medium, and medium size fits me perfectly. And this is how the shapewear looks like. Let's dissect it and see what we like and what we do not like. First of all, the straps. I love that it has straps and it's adjustable. So आपके body and obviously उसके हिसाब से आप adjust कर सकते हो. A major plus. And because of the straps, you don't have to worry about the shapewear rolling down. This will hold it in place. One thing I do not like about the strap is it goes over here and then यहाँ से ना थोड़ा roll हो रहा है यहाँ पर. It doesn't really show up on the clothing that you're wearing, but अगर बहुत ही ज़्यादा skinny fitting thing होगा तो I think it will show up. But ये थोड़ा roll out हो रहा है. I do not understand why. I tried to adjust it multiple times, but it wasn't getting fixed. It is removable, so it's adjustable as well. तो आप crisscross पहन सकते हो. Wow. So this is a major plus as well. Okay, I love the fitting of it. Medium size, as I said, fits me perfectly. It slipped right on. Like thoda difficulty hua, but that is normal for a shapewear, and it gives good compression. I would say this one is a medium compression. Not the strongest, but this one is a good compression for the price that you're paying. It gives a nice shape overall to the body, and it fits nicely on the thighs as well. So overall, as I said, a full body compression proper आपको दे रहे हैं. Also, it does have a pee hole, which is a major plus. You do not have to remove this, and ये मैंने test out कर लिया है. You can easily pee in this, so you don't have to worry about it at all. ये निकालने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Overall, for the price that you're paying, this is definitely a thumbs up from my end. I would give it a 8 out of 10. Okay, moving on to the next shapewear that I got. This is from this brand called Bria Friends. I don't know how to spell it, but yeah, this is how it looks like. And the reason why I got this is because it looks like a bodysuit. Like, what? How cool! I've never seen a shapewear that is a bodysuit as well. This literally is like a bodysuit, but it has compression near the tummy area. ये ज़्यादा कुछ उस पे है नहीं, उसी के लिए मैंने लिया है because it looks like a bodysuit. I wanted to try something out because this is so cool. You can just wear this and wear a jacket and a pantsuit and you're good to go. You can wear it under jeans, you can wear it under, you can just wear it like a normal top, but it tucks your tummy and makes it look good at the same time. You know what I mean? It's a bodysuit, but better. Price point, I would say this is for 639 rupees, which is as good as a bodysuit ka price rate. And I got it in the size medium, and medium fits me perfectly. Okay, so this is how it looks like a bodysuit, as I said before. Straps is nice and thick, so you can actually wear it as a tank top, as I said earlier. It does not have a lot of control near the boob area, so you do have to wear a bra. It does have compression over here. I would say the compression in this is medium, which is good. It's not like very low. It has medium compression and it fits and makes your body look good. You can see it in the video that I'm talking about. Also really good on the ass. It doesn't make it look weird. It actually shapes it really nicely. So yeah, I really like it. और नीचे ना ये hook detailing दिया हुआ है, so you can just remove it when you're peeing and all of that. So you don't have to remove it. Again, great, a plus. I love that. It's good quality. इतने प्राइस में ना मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इसका क्वालिटी अच्छा होगा. मुझे लगा था कुछ ऐसे ना चिंदी सा दे देंगे, बट नहीं, इसका क्वालिटी एक्चुअली अच्छा है. यू कैन फील दैट इट्स गुड क्वालिटी. ऑल्सो कंप्रेशन, एज आई सेड, इट्स नॉट बैड एट ऑल. Overall, I would actually pick this over a bodysuit because it looks good and it does the job really well. So a big thumbs up. I would give it an 8 out of 10. Let's move on to the last shapewear that I got. It's from this brand called Dermawear. It's their mini shaper. Now this one is one of the best seller on Amazon, and it has its place right because it's actually one of the best I've got in all of those 5 shapewears that I got. This one is the best one. I can't wait to share it with you guys. This one has 2,000 reviews and it has got 3.5 star. Great, love that. I got it in the size small, which I feel I shouldn't have. मैं actually experiment कर रही थी. मैंने बाकी सारे medium size में order किए थे, तो मुझे small एक order करके देखना था कि which one fits the best. Am I a size small or medium? Definitely I'm a size medium, and ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही tight हो रहा है मुझे. This one was for 725 rupees. A deal, duh. This is like so good for the price that I'm paying. So let's open it up. Okay, this is how it looks like. ये देख के कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा कि I'll fit into this. मैं भी इसे देख के 2 मिनट सोच रही थी कि मैं घुसूंगी तो घुसूंगी कैसे, because ये बहुत कम स्ट्रेचेबल है. एंड जो इसके अंदर घुसने में मैंने मशक्कत की है, माय गॉड, इट टुक an actual workout to get into this, but once I got into this, the compression that it gave me was so good. This is definitely a proper shapewear, high compression. It will give you a tummy tuck wala feel. This is the one. Okay, it does not have any that anti-slip thing, but ये इतना अच्छे से ना टाइट फिट हो रहा है ना, मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे ये कहीं पर भी रोल डाउन होने वाला है. आप अगर बैठोगे ना तो भी वो ऐसे रोल डाउन नहीं हो रहा है और बहुत अच्छे से कंप्रेशन दे रहा है. So yeah, I really like it. Again, it has the pee hole in it, which is a plus. Again, ये इतना मेहनत करके डाला है, उतारने का तो बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं करेगा मुझे throughout the day. and इसका जो leg area है again it cinches in, so I almost felt like मेरा पैर का blood circulation बंद होने वाला है. So yeah, that's something to consider. According to the जो size chart दिया हुआ है इन लोगों के site पे, according to that I'm supposed to be a size small. That's why I got a size small. So I thought let's try it out. Let's not go with my natural instinct that I usually order. Let's size chart के हिसाब से देख लूँ. And this is a little bit way too tight. So if you follow the size chart, which you should, and you order yourself according to the size that's given, I would say this one runs a little small. I would say go for a size up. I'll definitely order a size medium because I actually really like it. अगर आप ये सारे इसमें से कुछ भी लोगे तो I would suggest this one. This is actually a proper shapewear, worth the price. Get your proper size and you're gonna love it. So yeah, a 10 out of 10, but in my size. But this is a really good shapewear. I would give it a big thumbs up. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I know you guys have been really enjoying the lingerie, bra, shapewear kind of videos. You guys really find it helpful and I love to make these kind of videos. But definitely give me your suggestions in the comments down below कि आपको और कौन से videos पसंद है. I'd love to make it for you guys. Also जो भी मैंने shapewear आपको ये वीडियो में दिखा है सबके लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगी. आपको मेरा स्टोर फ्रंट लिंक भी दे दूंगी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, जहाँ पर सारे प्रोडक्ट एक साथ एक जगह पे रहेंगे. यू डोंट हैव टू लुक अराउंड. एंड या दैट्स व्हाट दिस वीडियो इज अबाउट. इफ यू एंजॉयड इट, like, share, subscribe. Please share it with your friends and family if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with the Bowery when I was high enough. Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.